Today we have Abhishek here from Bajaj Allianz General Insurance team. And Abhishek, we are really thankful to you that you give us the opportunity to contribute towards the environment, and would love to listen how you inculcate it into your system in Bajaj Allianz and what motivates you to take this decision to do a tree plantation to giving back to the society.
Yeah, thanks Nidhi. My name is Abhishek Dole and I take care of environment, social governance, ESG for Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company. We as a group, Bajaj Finserv group of companies, are dedicated to our environment stewardship. Some other way we try to give it back to the society. Last year, Bajaj especially have planted more than 1200 trees with 80% of survival. This year with Grow Billion Trees, we are planting more than 5000 trees in Pune and Satara in urban plantation as well as agroforestry. This initiative will help us as a citizen of this country as well as Pune for a greener environment and better future. What motivates us as a company, we have been accounting our greenhouse gas emissions for last 3 years, and from FY23 to FY24 we have reduced on to 5% of our total emissions. So we target reducing more and more emissions through kind of interventions in and around our operations in Pune and other areas.
We are here in Girvi Falton, and we are doing a tree plantation activity of trees with Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, and we already planted 500 trees in the Pune urban area, and we did a wonderful and very exciting tree plantation activity there. So, and here like rest of the we are planting here with the farmers and doing an agroforestry project. So today we have here Abhishek from Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. And Abhishek, first of all, it was a very wonderful activity we did there. Every employee was so excited. There was so much of enthusiasm. So thanks for that. And would like to know what made you to do this with the farmers, like to help the farmers and do the agroforestry project. What is your vision behind it?
Thanks a lot, Nidhi. So at Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company, environment, social and governance is one of the important functionality. Under this functionality, environment stewardship is one of the major focus areas that the company works towards. So in environment, we do work towards water management, waste management, reducing onto the plastic waste that we generate as an organization, and increasing the green cover in urban and rural areas. Under environment, we have launched an initiative called One Tree Per Employee. So we'll be planting one tree for every employee and try to increase green cover in the urban as well as rural areas of Maharashtra and other regions. This association is with Grow Billion Trees, and I am really thankful that you're working towards this cause of increasing the total green cover and reducing onto resultant greenhouse gas emissions. Even Bajaj is committed towards carbon sequestration and reducing onto our GHG emissions year on year. So I would like to understand, Nidhi, how this project of agroforestry would help environment as well as the local communities.
Okay, so as you correctly said, the doing an agroforestry project had the twofold benefits, one to the environment and one to the local community. So the farmers के केस में क्या होता है, like they'll get a kind of a 3x switch to their income. जो उनको पहले basic crop से हो रहा था, it will be like increased by the 3x. And if we talk about the environment, when we do plantation of big trees, so जब ये trees सारे बड़े हो जाएंगे, they will help to reduce soil erosion, and they will give like they will fix the nutrient in the soil, या इनके जो पत्ते वगैरह भी जो डिकम्पोज होते हैं. सो इन अ वे दे विल इम्प्रूव द बायोडाइवर्सिटी है, जो पॉलिनेशन मतलब इन पे जो बर्ड्स वगैरह आएंगे, द पॉलिनेशन विल हैपन मोर, एंड सो इट विल एनीवेज व्हिच गोइंग टू हेल्प टू दीज फार्म्स ओनली एंड टू द प्रोड्यूस
also carbon sequestration.
Yes, of course, that's the other like dimension. So whenever these trees will grow, so इनका जो trunk होगा, it will do a lot of carbon sequestration from the environment as well.
माझं नाव अभिषेक डोळे आणि मी बजाज अलायन्स जनरल इन्शुरन्स कंपनीमधनं आहे. आम्ही इथं ॲग्रोफॉरेस्ट्रीचा प्रोजेक्ट इम्प्लिमेंट करतोय तुझ्यासोबत. सो थोडं आपल्या दर्शकांना सांगू शकशील आपण कुठल्या गावात आहे?
गिरवी, तालुका फलटण, जिल्हा सातारा हे गाव आहे. लोकसंख्या एक 4-5 हजारापेक्षा कमीच आहे आणि इथं कशी पारंपरिक शेती केली जाते. अजून बाकीचं काही एवढं डेव्हलप झालेलं नाही आहे आणि बाकीच्या गोष्टी कसं म्हणजे आधुनिक प्रकारचं काही माहिती नाही अजून माणसांना. ते आता तुमच्या कंपनीतर्फे आम्हाला जे रोपवाटिका झाल्या त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला भरपूर काही करता आलं. जे गरीब शेतकरी आहेत त्यांना पण ते देता आलं, त्यांच्यापर्यंत पोहोचवता आलं. बाकीचे लोक कसे भरपूर शेती करतात, त्यांच्याकडे भरपूर आहे, पण इथं मुबलक शेती असल्यामुळे पारंपरिक शेती जोपासली जाते. पण त्याच्यापेक्षा आता फळबागांमुळे जास्त उत्पन्न काढता येतं आणि माणसाला डेव्हलप होता येतं. त्यासाठी तुम्ही दिलेल्या झाडांपासून फायदा
फायदा
झालेला
होतोय. ओके. इथं सर्वसाधारणपणे किती ॲव्हरेज लँड होल्डिंग, म्हणजे एका शेतकऱ्याकडे कमीत कमी ॲव्हरेज किती जमीन आहे?
कमीत कमी 2-3 एकर, त्यापेक्षा कमीच, जास्तीत जास्त 6 एकर बस,
ओके.
त्यापेक्षा कमीच. म्हणजे
ओके. आणि आतापर्यंत कुठले पिकं इथं घेतले जात होते?
ज्वारी, बाजरी, मका, गहू, असे हरभरा असे पिकं घेतली जातात.
आणि आम्ही जो हा म्हणजे इथं ॲग्रो फॉरेस्ट्रीचा प्रोजेक्ट आपण समवेत जो इम्प्लिमेंट करणार आहे, तर त्याचं किती काळ असेल, किती काळामध्ये आपल्याला उत्पन्न बघायला मिळेल याच्यातनं?
एका वर्षामध्येच उत्पन्न चालू होईल, त्यामुळे लवकरात लवकरच शेतकऱ्यांची पण ग्रोथ होईल.
ओके. आणि बजाज एलायन्स जनरल इन्शुरन्स कंपनी आणि ग्रो बिलियन ट्रीज यांनी जो हा प्रोजेक्ट इथं इम्प्लिमेंट करतात, त्याच्याबद्दल शेतकऱ्यांचं काय म्हणणं आहे?
खूप फायदा होतोय त्यांना. प्रत्येक शेतकऱ्याची परिस्थिती एवढी नाही की त्यांना प्रत्येक वेळेस तेवढी झाडं घेता येतील, पण तुमच्या कंपनीमुळे का नाही खूप फायदा होतोय त्यांना. ते खूप नाव काढता येते त्यांचे की बस देवासारखेच कंपनी धावून आली आणि आम्हाला झाडं मिळाली.
We are here today early in the morning and doing a tree plantation activity. You can see around the enthusiasm of the Bajaj Allianz team. And today we have here Ramandeep sir and Ankush sir from the Bajaj Allianz. And sir would like to know about the goal, what comes to your, like how you picked this tree plantation activity to like match it with the Bajaj Allianz.
So I think ESG is one of the key initiatives for the company. While we focus a lot on business, but I think at a group level, the philosophy has been that with business, you should also take care of the society.
Yes.
So when we talk about the business prospering, we also talk about the society prospering, and hence, we are here to take care of the environmental part of things. So last year, I think we had a very good experience. We planted about 7,000 trees only
great.
for
Yeah.
one company. And I think our survival rate has been upwards of 80%. But if you see it at a group level, we started this about 2 years back, and last year itself we did about 80,000 trees across the country.
Yeah.
So IDA, the insurance regulator, has allocated some states to us. So as a part of that, UP is allocated as one of the big states. So we did a big chunk of the 7,000 trees in UP. So we go beyond our boundaries.
Yeah.
It's not only Maharashtra. So we try to cover it across the country. See, last year we did about 7,000 trees. So this year we said, why don't we map each tree to each employee of the company? So this year the endeavor is that we do 1 tree per employee. So we have about 11,000 employees as we stand today. By the year end, we'll probably have 13,000. So maybe in a year's time, a rolling 12-month period, we will achieve that objective of 1 tree per employee.
Of course, it's very good, beautiful, the way people are all here, especially children all enthused to be here. Very nice, it's a good job.
It's just my first week, into the job, and it's really, very, very heartwarming to see the kind of enthusiasm and the awareness that the group has, for environment, for ESG as a whole and environment specifically. And, so when I was told that, we are having a drive like this is something, that I had not experienced before. So being a part of it is really, really exciting. And I think, what Raman mentioned a while back, it's true to the values of the group. And I'm very, very happy that, can be a part of this. And I'm sure we'll try to do much more, in the future as well.
The experience has been lovely since morning. I didn't expect so many people to be here, and anything giving back to the environment is, very close to our hearts. So this is a great initiative, and I'm sure we'll be part of many more in the future.
Here we are today with the Omkar sir from Bajaj Allianz, and sir would love to listen about your experience today here.
Yes, it has been fantastic experience. As I said, it's a morning well spent. We would like to make many mornings well spent. We always feel that this is the least that we can do being part of city. We don't do agriculture, but this is the best we can do for the environment. And it has been fantastic experience to work with Grow Billion. We look forward to many more such engagements. As they say that this environment, this nature that we have, it is something that we have borrowed from our next generation. So we have to return it with interest, means we have to give it to the next generation in better condition that we have. So this is our bit we can do, and we look forward to do it more. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.